It's the launch of our visual arts exhibition. I want to thank you all for being here today.
So we hope to create a platform for seniors so that they can make connections and follow their passion, to empower them and to ensure their voices are heard through arts.
The Engaging Seniors Artist Project provided senior artists in our community with opportunities to express themselves, share their lived experiences, and contribute to the cultural enrichment of Milton. Through a series of 16 workshops, artist talks, and drop-in sharing sessions, seniors explored diverse mediums, collage, acrylic painting, upcycling, ceramics, digital art, and more.
It was a coming together of senior community members wanting to get out of their homes, wanting to do different things that engaged them as a community. And that experience of watching them come together, develop friendships, develop new skill sets through the art was like no other experience we've had here at Milton Public Library.
I've always been interested in art. I'm a scientist by background, so just something out of my comfort zone, but never really had training to do art, so just thought this would be a good idea.
I loved art. So when I was young, I used to do lots of art stuff, programs like these. So now that my kids are grown up, I can go back to that, doing that.
So it was more like a collaboration than a mentorship, I would say. But it was really fun to do it and to get people to open up and to engage, but also talk about the kind of art that they do and that they want to learn and the crafts they've been doing their entire lives that they never really thought of as art before. I had a really great time with this program. I would love to come back anytime, and I just want to thank Milton Public Library for giving me the opportunity to be here and build a community.
Supporting programming that reaches out to our seniors both allows them to develop new skills while reducing social isolation. It's really an opportunity for them to participate in something that has meaning to them, but also the final exhibitions allow them to give back to the community and be able to tell their stories.
We wanted to bring joy and community connection and positive impact in their lives.
I live in Milton for 18 years, but I don't really know my neighbors too much. Here we got more of a chance to interact with more people.
It was an awesome connecting with new friends, actually, because some of them I don't know. So it was good to meet other ladies of my age group in this program.
We want to thank everybody for coming to Milton Public Library today to experience this event with us, and thank you to all the senior artists that participated in the program. Your creativity, your stories, and your passion have truly brought this exhibition to light. Thank you.